if you are crypto trader from Nigeria, you've observed that you can no longer trade USD to NGN in OKS. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can still do P2P trade. So you have to come to this particular website, which is called Bybit. So Bybit actually allow you to trade your cryptocurrency. So for you to actually do P2P trade on Bybit, you have to ensure you verify your identity. So let me show you how you can actually verify your identity. So I'm going to click on my profile. As you can see, this is my identity verified. So you can verify your identity using your national ID card, voters card. I even learned that Bybit allow you to use your BVN to verify your identity. So after you verify your identity, so if you have fund in maybe Binance or OKS, you can actually transfer it directly to your Bybit account to be able to do P2P trade. So I actually have a video for you that you can actually use to transfer your money from OKS to Bybit. So let me show you exactly how you can do your P2P trade. So all you have to do is to click on this option, then click on P2P over here. So they want to bring you to this interface. So it's loading up. So as you can see, this is the P2P dashboard of Bybit. Like you can actually buy your cryptocurrency using Bybit right now. I think it's the only one that is still working. So we have to sell our USDT. So we want to sell our USDT. So as you can see, like we are going to find the person we want to sell to. So as you can see, this is the first person is going to sell 1.5 million. So I'm actually selling below. So let me find someone that is selling below that amount. So because I actually have like 35,000 I want to sell. So you are going to scroll down a little bit, and if you actually want to do it very quick, so all you have to do is to come to this particular option like amount. So you have to type in the amount you have intention of selling, because if you want to store, you must store indefinitely. So I'm actually enter 35,000. I'm going to click on confirm, and it's going to filter all the people that want to sell between this range. So as you can see, this person, which is OG making, is actually the one of the best you can trade with right now. It has like 1,149 orders and 96% completion rate. So that means if you are actually trading with this kind of person, they are going to deliver very fast. And if you check the limit is 29,000 naira to 1.2 million. So but the problem is, due to the fact that I started using Bybit, so it's ineligible. So I'm going to check another person which is past. So this one I've been trading on Bybit for a very longer period of time. It has like 8,000 orders, so and 97 completion rates. So you have to check all these metrics before you actually use Bybit, because if you don't check them, you might end up losing your money. So as you can see, this person is just 20,000. So I'm going to click on sell my USDT on Bybit. So as you can see, this is the dashboard for us to actually enter the amount we want to sell. So you can actually use with crypto or with flat rate. So if it is flat rate, you can just enter the amount of naira you want to sell. So but if you want to use with crypto, you can actually enter maybe 10 USDT, which is not going to be good for us. So let me quickly use the amount in naira, so which is 35,000 naira. So all you have to do is to enter the payment method. So probably you are going to enter your bank details, bank name, like bank transfer, then your name, your account number, branch, and the bank name. So I think I've already done that. So I don't know the reason why it's not showing me. I've added my bank. So let me see the reason why it's not. Oh, okay, it's only PalmPay and OPay. So let me go back and choose this particular person, find Suleiman. So because it's actually bank transfer, so it can send to any bank. So let me click on sell. So let me enter again, which is 35,000. So as you can see, the option for bank is there already. The reason why it's not showing in the first place is because the person always sent to PalmPay and other banks. So I'm going to choose the with flat rate, which is 35,000. So I'm going to click on the bank method, which is CUDA account. So mind you, like federal government has been cracking down a lot of cryptocurrency platform. So ensure you tell the person that is sending the money that you should not add anything related to crypto inside the description, because it might actually lead to your account suspension. So right now we have to be careful with how we use cryptocurrency, so that to be safe and not to allow them to actually make sure they shut down our account. So I'm going to click on sell, and it's going to load up for me. So as you can see, the order has been placed successfully. So now I'm going to wait for the buyer to actually release the fund. And one important thing that I forget to mention is, if you want to actually trade with anyone, make sure that that person is online. So this green indication indicate that the person is always online. So this green actually indicate that they are online, because if they are offline, the completion of the trade might be very long. So you have to make sure that each of them are online, so that you can actually release your fund very fast. So I'm going to pause this video, wait for him to send the money, and I will show you the end results of how you can do P2P trade on Bybit and be able to withdraw your money in Nigeria.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for about 15 minutes, the seller has actually sent the money. So I'm going to release the fund. So I'm going to click on release and click on I've checked that I've received the funds, because I actually received it in my Kuda account. I'm going to check this, then click on release. So it's going to send me an OTP. So I guess with my Google Authenticator. So I'm going to check the Google Authenticator to actually enter it over here. 743 743 337 337, confirm. I believe it's supposed to be done. So as you can see, everything is be done. You can actually leave review if this person actually pay you. So I'm going to leave a review for this person. So if you like this video so far, please ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channels and give this video thumbs up. And more also, whenever you are doing cryptocurrency payment on Bybit or any other platform, so let me leave a review. So confirm. So I'm going to show you. You have to ensure you play safe. So you have to come to this contact option. Then you can tell the seller that please don't add anything related to crypto inside the description of your payment, because by adding anything incrementing, it can get your account suspended. Because right now, federal government is actually cracking down on cryptocurrency platform, and all those fintech app like Kuda, like Moneypoint and PayPay, whenever they discover you are using your account to do any crypto related, they might get your account suspended. And I think that should be all for today. If you actually like this video, please ensure you give it a thumbs up and actually subscribe for more video like this. And if you want to sign up for Bybit, I'm going to drop the link inside the video description for you to use. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.